Hey guys, I'm Grace Reitzel with Landshore Realty Group here in Surfside Beach, Texas, and I'm at my newest listing, 103 Coconut Road. And as you can tell, we're a beachfront here in Surfside Beach, Texas with phenomenal views, and I can't wait to show you what's on the inside. Okay, so that wraps up our tour here at 103 Coconut Road in Surfside Beach, Texas. As a coastal property specialist who lives and works full-time here on the island, I love helping clients explore their options when it comes to buying or selling property on the Texas Gulf Coast, and I would love to help you explore yours as well. My name is Grace Reitzel with Landshore Realty Group. Feel free to reach out. I look forward to hearing from you soon. All right, talk to you all later.